Hello everyone, I see you made it back to the Coupon Club one more time, so thanks for joining. My name's Laura, and in today's video, I'm gonna run over the best CVS deals from November 2nd to November 9th. And I would like to remind everybody that when you're shopping at CVS, the first thing you should be doing is stopping at that Redbox machine and scanning your card or entering your phone number. This will print you personalized coupons called CRTs, which stands for Cash Register Tape, and you can use these towards your transactions to put together some really great deals. And we actually have 4 freebies on some great items this week. But before we get into that, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, you should definitely check that out because I'm posting on freebies you can get all over the place, like Big Lots, PetSmart, eBay, etc. So definitely check that out. It's at coupon.club. And without further ado, let's get into these freebies and deals under $1. Our first freebie this week is on this Love Corn Peanut Snack. And these are normally priced at $1.99 each, but we have a $1 off printable coupon available at savings.com/groceries. And I'm gonna link all the coupons that I mentioned in this video down below. So along with this $1 off printable coupon, there's also a $1 rebate on Ibotta. If you don't have Ibotta, I definitely suggest downloading that app now. All you have to do is scan your receipt and they'll give you cash back right to your bank account. For anyone who is interested in signing up for Ibotta, I left my referral link down below, and if you use this link, you'll automatically get $2 sent to your account. So even if you're not interested in using the Ibotta app all the time, you can just use my referral link down below and get $2. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of the Love Corns priced at $1.99 each. I used 2 of the $1 off printable coupons, making my out-of-pocket at the register $2. But then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got $2 right back, making these completely free. So if you guys want to try out a new snack, or maybe you just want some free food, definitely pick these up. All right, so remember how I mentioned that you should always stop at that Redbox machine when you go to CVS? This is why. Last week, that Redbox machine printed the CRT for everybody, which is $3 off any Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care. Now there's a Neutrogena face mask, which is priced at $2.99. So if you use this CRT to buy that face mask, it'll be completely free. So it takes 2 seconds to enter in your phone number at that machine, and if you do that, you get freebies, so it's definitely worth it. Another CRT which is printing for everybody this week is this $4 off of any one Revlon product. And you can use this to pick yourself up a free nail clipper. This is normally priced at $3.99, but if you use this CRT to pay for it, it's gonna be completely free. So I saved the best freebie for last, and this is gonna be on 2 Colgate mouthwashes. These are normally priced at $3.99 each, but right now there's a promo where if you buy one, you get $2 extra bucks back. There's also a $1 off digital coupon in the CVS app and a $1 off printable coupon, which I will link down below. If you don't have this digital coupon in your CVS app, just print out that printable coupon twice. Along with these coupons, there's also a $2 off of 6 Colgate or mouthwash CRT floating around, and you're gonna need to use that. So with this CRT and our coupon, your out-of-pocket subtotal will be $3.98, but you'll be getting $2 extra bucks back for each of these mouthwashes for a total of $4 extra bucks in return, making these completely free. And if you guys already have $4 in extra bucks, I would suggest using them to pay for these. That way your out-of-pocket will be $0 and you will still be getting your $4 extra bucks right back. When you use your extra bucks to pay for items that's gonna give you extra bucks in return, this is called rolling, and this is what I try to do for a lot of my transactions because that's how I find I get the best bang for my buck, and that's why I suggest you guys do it too. All right, now that we went over all our freebies this week, let's hop into our deals, which are gonna be under $1 each. First on our list are these Speed Stick deodorants, which are normally priced at $2.99 each, but this week they're on a promotion where if you buy one, you get a $2 extra buck in return. Along with this, there's a 50-cent off printable coupon at speedstick.com. So print this coupon out, and your out-of-pocket subtotal will be just $2.49, but you'll be getting a $2 extra buck in return, making the final cost for one of these just 49 cents. And keep an eye out at all your CRTs because there is a $1 off of any one deodorant floating around. So if you have this, you'll be able to pick up yours for completely free, plus a moneymaker. For the final deal I will be showing you this week is on the CoverGirl mascaras. CoverGirl's on a promotion where if you buy one, you get a $5 extra buck reward. And I really hope you guys went to that Redbox machine because this week there is a $3 off CoverGirl CRT printing for everybody. So you want to pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Professional mascaras, which are priced at $6.49 each. And there's a $2 off printable coupon available at coupons.com, which I have linked down below. So print this coupon out twice, one for each of the mascaras we're going to be picking up, and use that CRT, and your subtotal will be $5.98. But remember, we're going to be getting a $5 extra buck in return, making our final cost just 98 cents or 49 cents each. A great price for some mascara. Alright guys, those are all the CVS deals and freebies that I had to share with you this week. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, check out my Instagram page at coupon.club because I'm posting all different sorts of freebies, so it's definitely worth checking out. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. It would really help me out. And if you're not already, join the club so you can do these deals with us all the time. Alright guys, happy shopping and I will see you in the next one.